Hello and welcome to another All Nation Line video. Today's topic is a 3-rail to 2-rail conversion on a Lionel Alco S2 switcher engine. I took the prerogative of taking this particular unpowered model apart to save some time on this video. So basically what we have here is the hood, which comes off the chassis, and a cab, a firewall in the cab, a little cab interior with a roof that attaches with a couple of small magnets. So the question is can we use the original Alco Blount trucks that came with this engine with our All Nation Line wheel sets and or our All Nation Line power drive transmissions? And I think the answer is yes. What we've done is used our wheel sets, we've used our standard bolster, we created a little 3D printed part to be able to, mount all those together. And these would go under the chassis here, where we would make one small minor modification on the front end of the engine to accommodate the transmissions. Once that's done, we can reassemble this. It's fairly easy. There's only a few screws involved we saved when we took it apart. But the other question is if we couldn't make this work in the side frames that came with this engine, was it possible to use our AAR Type A truck kits or transmissions and make this an S4, an Alco S4? And the answer to that, I think, is yes also. And we put together a set of unpowered trucks here with pickups on the wheels, and we developed or utilized one of our tower drives with a chain drive, very similar to the Helix gear drive, and either one should work just fine. So in conclusion to this video, there's very little work left to do at this point, and that would include probably modifying this for a typical 30 millimeter in diameter motor, which would mount in the center, and then cut a little bit of floor out of here to accommodate the tower drives, so you can connect the upper drive shaft to the motor drive shaft. And that would pretty much handle the conversion from start to finish. Switches are always nice, particularly if you have a small layout or you're doing yard work with your switcher and classifying freight cars. It's a fun project. It's not overly difficult, but we wanted to take a look at this as a proof of concept to validate that a conversion can be done. Now, we've done several of these on other Lionel and MTH models in the past. We have videos out there that you can look at. And this is a very nice project because I think the Lionel bodies are nicely detailed. And so I can't see how you could go wrong if you wanted to develop this and get one of these on your layout.